Dear students, in this video lesson, let us learn about the mechanism of the adsorption. You know, adsorption is what? The mechanism in which the accumulation of the atoms or the gas molecules on the surface of the adsorbent. Adsorbent is a solid surfaces. Take an example of charcoal. Adsorbents are the gas molecules. Gas molecules are get accumulated on the surface of the charcoal. Why adsorption takes place? Due to the fact that the surface particle of the adsorbent are not in the same environment as a particle present inside. Because at the surfaces, the unbalanced attractive force are there, and inside the bulk, the balanced forces are present. So therefore, the same environment is not possible for both surface and the bulk. So inside the adsorbent, all the forces acting between the particles are mutually balanced. But on the surfaces, particles are not surrounded by the atoms or the molecules that their kind in the bulk. But at the above surfaces, the attractive forces are present. Due to this unbalanced attractive forces, all the gas molecules are absorbed on the surface of the adsorbent. So this is a gas molecules. These gas molecules are allowed to adsorbed on the surface of the charcoal. Whenever the gas molecules absorb, the amount of heat released, so the process is exothermic process. So apply the thermodynamic equation, that is a Gibbs free energy change. Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Delta G is Gibbs free energy change, that is the amount of energy to do useful work. Delta H is change in enthalpy or the heat content of the system. Delta S is change in entropy. Entropy is a measurement of the randomness of the system. Whenever the heat energy is get released, the process is exothermic, the value become negative. Then the gas molecules are allowed to strike on the surfaces. Whenever the gas molecules do not strike, that time the kinetic energy of the molecule is more, the entropy is more. Whenever the gas molecules strike on the surfaces, the gas molecules momentum restricted. Means the measurement of the randomness of the system become decreases. So the delta S value become negative. Delta G is equal to become, put the value of delta H and delta S, negative and the negative, the value become negative, negative is positive, positive and negative is negative. So delta G value is negative. Means the delta G is a spontaneous process, that is the exothermic process. Thus in an adsorption process, which is spontaneous process, a combination of the two factors delta S and the delta H that makes the delta G value negative, means the process is spontaneous. Whenever the delta G value become negative, means the process is in equilibrium process. That time put the value of delta G is equal to 0, then the delta H value is equal to T delta S. As the adsorption process or carries, it favors the delta G becomes less and it is ultimately less negative. That time delta H is equals to the T delta S. Delta G value becomes 0. That is a equilibrium process. So at this stage, it is called as the equilibrium is attained. Let's start discussed about the 1 mark questions. First question. Why does physisorption decreases with increases of temperature? Because physisorption is exothermic in nature, it decreases with increases in temperature. This means that physisorption occurs more readily at lower temperature due to the presence of weak van der Waals forces. Why are powder substances are more effective adsorbent than their crystalline form? Because when a substance is powdered, then the surface area increases and physisorption is directly proportional to the surface area of the adsorbent. Surface area is more means more is the adsorption. Third question. Why is a finely divided substances more effective as an adsorbent? Because finely divided substances has a larger surface area and greater is a adsorption. Fourth question. What is activation of the adsorbent? Activation of an adsorbent means increasing the adsorbing power of adsorbent. Fifth question. Why is chemical adsorption is irreversible? Because it takes place with the help of the covalent bonding. Covalent bond is a strong bond between the adsorbate and the adsorbent. Sixth question. Enthalpy of a physical adsorption of a quite low give reason. Why enthalpy of a physical adsorption is quite low give the reason. The reason is due to the weak van der Waals forces. Question number 7. Name the adsorbent used to a removal of the coloring matter from the solution. Animal charcoal or the activated charcoal. 8th question. Out of physical adsorption and chemical adsorption, which one has lower enthalpy of adsorption? 8th one, physical adsorption have the lower enthalpy of adsorption. 9th question. What happens to the entropy of a gas during adsorption? Entropy of gas decreases because whenever the molecules will going to strike on the surface of the adsorbent, the gas molecules momentum restricted, so entropy value decreases. Question number 10th. When does adsorption attain equilibrium? When the value of delta G is equal to 0, it attains equilibrium.